welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for mung bean or green gram dosa. It's a very delicious and healthy South Indian breakfast recipe. Let's see how it is done. The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of mung beans or green gram. You need to soak it in water for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight. I had already soaked them overnight. This is how they look. They have softened and doubled in volume. So to the batter we will add few more ingredients for a nice flavor. 1 or 2 green chilies or as per your taste. Half of a small onion, 1 clove of garlic, that's optional, 1-inch piece of ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, few curry leaves and 1/4 cup of rice flour. First we will blend the mung beans along with all these ingredients except for the rice flour into a smooth batter by adding little water. You may use the same water in which you had soaked the mung beans. So I have blended all of the mung beans and the other ingredients into a smooth batter. Into this we'll add the 1/4 cup of rice flour. This gives a very nice crispy dosa as well as a nice texture. And some salt to taste, around half a teaspoon, and mix them really well. For this dosa you need not ferment the batter. You can make the dosas right away. Also there's no need to add any baking soda because the mung beans themselves give a very nice airy and fluffy texture to the batter. So this is how the batter looks. It's thick and of pouring consistency, just like the batter of regular dosa. To make the dosa you may use a skillet or a non-stick pan. I have greased it lightly and it is heating over medium to low heat. Make sure that the pan is not too hot or else it will be difficult to spread the dosa. And if you find that the pan is too hot, you may sprinkle some water to cool it down and let the water evaporate. Now onto the pan I'm gonna add a ladle full of batter, around 1/3 of a cup, and then just spread it in circular motion. If you find that there is excess of batter, you can just scrape it off with a spatula and spread it evenly. You may even add a few drops of ghee, butter or oil, but that's optional. So you can see that it has got a nice brown color on the sides. So at this point you can just lift it off and it comes very easily. So you can see how it has a nice glaze and very crispy. Serve it hot. This is how the mung bean dosa looks. It tastes best with coconut chutney, the recipe of which I have shared in the previous video. I'll link it in the description box. Hope you liked my recipe for mung bean dosa. It's a very healthy dosa recipe which does not require any fermentation as well. The mung beans are rich in proteins and keeps you full for a very long time. Do try it for your next breakfast and let me know your feedback. And please do subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.